So guys, now let us discuss our final algorithm, that is route lookup. So you can see on the screen, this is an mTry data structure, which is essentially a routing table. And at this point of time, the following 6 routes has been inserted in this routing table. All right. So in case of route lookup, for a given IP address, we must give or we must find the route from this mTry data structure with the longest prefix match possible. All right. In route lookup algorithm, the bits 0 and 1 matches with the don't care. For example, if you have a binary string 1010 or binary string 1011, then we say that these two binary string matches with the string 101 don't care. And following are the examples of the expected result of route lookup. The longest prefix match, that is LPM, for a given IP address 128.2.3.4 must give the route 128.2.3.4/32. So this is the route in this mTry data structure which matches best with the given IP address. All right. These IP address will be fetched from the IP header of the packet. And the router, after fetching the IP address from the IP header of the packet, look up into the routing table to find the best route that matches that IP address. And once the router finds the best route, then using the next hop information of that route, the router then eventually forwards the packet to the next node in the network. So this is how routing table is used by a layer 3 forwarding device for forwarding the traffic. Similarly, second example is that for a given IP address 122.2.3.5, the best route or the longest prefix match route is 128.2.00/16. Note that in your mTry data structure, if you have a default route installed, then any unknown IP address would always match with this default route as per the longest prefix match principle. All right. You just take any arbitrary IP address, let's say 10.1.1.1. This route will not match any other route in this mTry data structure, but it will always match with the default route, which is essentially 0 by 0 route. But what is the algorithm which will make sure that for a given IP address, when you look up in this routing table, the lookup algorithm will always give you the route with the best match or the route with the longest prefix match? So this is what we will going to discuss next, the route lookup algorithm.